Hey everyone, welcome back to Software Hub. In this 2026 tutorial, I'll show you how to remove bloatware, ads and telemetry from Windows 11 to make your PC cleaner, faster and more private. If your system feels slow, shows unwanted ads or collects background data, this guide will help you boost performance, free up resources and improve privacy step by step. If you enjoy Windows optimization, privacy tweaks and practical tech tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future updates. Now, let's get started. When you install a fresh copy of Windows, it comes with many pre-installed apps. These apps often run in the background and can slow down your PC by using system resources. So let's debloat Windows and make it cleaner, faster and more responsive. First of all, click the link that I have provided in the description. You will be redirected to a GitHub website. Scroll down and you will see the Releases tab. Click on the latest release. Now scroll down and download the zip file. After the download is complete, extract the zip file. Now open the extracted folder. Run crapfixer as an administrator. If this warning or error appears, don't worry, click run. Anyway, this tool is safe and secure to use. Now you'll see this interface. In the Windows section, you can select what actions you want to perform. In the Issues section, you can select options like Disk Cleanup and Winget App Updates to clean unnecessary files and update apps. In the System section, you can select multiple performance options. You can speed up shutdown time, disable network throttling, optimize system responsiveness, reduce menu delay, enable end task and disable hibernation. Now, in the Microsoft Edge section, you can select all options. Here, you can disable Microsoft Edge as the default browser, disable game mode and turn off other Edge related features. This helps make your Windows performance smoother and faster. After that, you can change Windows UI settings. These include options like show full context menu, hide the search bar, hide the task view button on the taskbar, disable search box suggestions, disable Bing search, pin more apps on the start menu, align the start button to the left, disable transparency effects and many more. In the gaming section, you can also select all options. You may notice that when you play games, Windows Game Recorder services run in the background. These services can cause lag or performance drops, so disabling them can improve your gaming experience. In the privacy section, you can select options like disable activity history, disable location tracking, and turn off telemetry data collection to improve privacy. In the ads section, you can disable all ads. This not only improves privacy but also helps boost Windows performance. From here, you can also disable AI related options. Now, in the plugins section, you can do additional tasks such as create a restore point, disable Snap Assist layouts, remove Ask Copilot, remove default apps, speed up Windows shutdown time, restore all built-in apps, remove Windows AI, uninstall OneDrive and more. Now click on the application button at the top. At first, you won't see anything here. You need to click Analyze. After analyzing, you'll see a list of Windows bloatware apps. You can select which apps you don't want on your system. Once you're ready, click Run Fixer. Now the tool will remove everything you selected and apply the changes you chose. Don't worry, this process is safe, secure, and error-free. It may take some time, so please wait patiently. If this screen appears, select Temporary Files, Recycle Bin, and if you don't have any important data in the Downloads folder, you can select that as well. Once the process is completed, you can recheck to make sure there are no unwanted apps left. If this video is helpful for you, like the video and consider subscribing to the channel for the latest updates and tutorials. Thanks for watching.